your father now. You don't even get the results yet and you're talking about your father.
You know, I'm beginning to think you're schizophrenic or something. Stop! Let's not start. If I ever knew house hunting or fixing up a place would be such a strain in our marriage, I would have just stay home and bear it forever. Let's just get past this. We love each other very much. And there's a reason for this happening. And we have to face it as one. That's what a marriage is. Not fight and walk out when everything not perfect. Talk it out. Things will get better as long as we see it as our problem. Not your problem or my problem. I show too much people, man. Too selfish. I want to get on with my life and my career or whatever. No, man. You have to leave this as a team. Till death do us part. Look how the man bringing a baby without talking to her first. Stupid. Then she know it by leaving him. Nobody wins. Who suffer? Both of them and the baby. Me. Because they couldn't work it out. I miss 4 parents and I'm going to fight for my birthright. So, honey, please don't make this any harder than it is. I want this place for us. My father already cursed with this misguided thoughtlessness. We can bring him back to life again. With our love. Take it back from burning.